So guys, we are about to prepare our cream for our lasagna, the bechamel cream. And it is just simple. You need your milk. I have here milk, I have here salt, I have here flour, I've got here my butter. We're just going to go ahead and make this. We are just going to be adding, creating our lasagna. So here is my cheese, mozzarella and parmigiano, and then my pasta, my lasagna pasta. This is already cooked pasta, so that's what I'm going to be using. And then this is a lasagna. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Look, our lasagna is ready to be eaten. Oh, this looks so good, so good. Oh god. So guys, I just want to taste it for you guys, okay? This looks so good. Looks so good. Oh my lord. This is so good, guys. So delicious. fantabulous, fantastic. So delicious, guys. So please make sure you do try this recipe. You're going to love it, okay? Try it, let me know. Give me feedback, okay? Let me know whether you've tried it, you liked it. This is so good. So please make sure you do subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, please do. Thank you for sticking around and watching this video. It wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't easy, so please make sure you do like, okay? Like. It wasn't easy doing this with one hand. It wasn't easy. My first cooking video. So encourage me, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.